Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice expression. X minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 divided by square root 2. And we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. As we have x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 divided by square root 2. In the denominator of x minus 1 there is 1. So first of all, by doing cross multiplication we get square root of 2 will multiply with x minus 1. This is equal to 1 will multiply with x plus 1. Now multiplying square root 2 with x, we get square root 2 into x minus 1 will multiply this, we get square root 2 is equal to x plus 1. Now moving the numbers with x to the one side of the equation. So this will become square root 2 into x, and by moving this from right hand side to left hand side, this will become negative x is equal to 1, and by moving this from left hand side to right hand side, this will become positive square root 2. So now we have square root 2x minus x is equal to 1 plus square root 2. By moving the numbers with x to the one side of the equation. As we are interested to find out the value of x, so by taking x as a common, here inside square root 2 minus 1, because x we have taken it common, is equal to 1 plus square root 2. Now dividing both sides by square root 2 minus 1. From the left hand side, this square root 2 minus 1 from denominator and from numerator cancel out each other. We were left with x is equal to 1 plus square root 2 divided by square root 2 minus 1. Now by taking conjugate, that 2 square root plus 1, the conjugate of this number is 2 square root plus 1. So by multiplying and dividing by its conjugate, 2 square root plus 1 and 2 square root plus 1. Now we get x is equal to 1 plus square root 2. Well, multiply with 2 square root plus 1. We can write this as 1 plus square root 2 because it is commutative. Divide by square root 2 minus 1 into square root 2 plus 1. Now from an algebraic identity we have that a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b into a minus b, or we can write this as a minus b into a plus b. Another algebraic identity that if we have a power m multiplied by a power n, then this is equal to a power m plus n. Or we can say that when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their powers will be added. So the above equation will become as x is equal to the power of 1 plus square root 2 is 1, and also this power is 1, so the bases are same, then their powers will be added, and this will become 1 plus square root 2 whole squared. Divide by, we can use this algebraic identity here, a minus b into a plus b. This will become a squared minus b squared. Here a is square root 2 squared minus b squared, b is 1 squared, which is 1. So here x is equal to 1 plus square root 2 whole squared, divide by this square root and square cancel out each other, 2 minus 1, because 1 squared is 1, 2 minus 1 we get 1. Now using another algebraic identity, that a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So here we have a is equal to 1 and b is equal to square root 2. The above equation x is equal to a squared means 1 squared plus b squared means square root 2 squared plus 2 into a, which is 1, into b, which is square root 2. So now x is equal to 1 squared, which is 1, plus this square root and squared cancel out each other. Here 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2, into square root 2. X is equal to 1 plus 2, 3, plus 2 into square root 2. This is the final value of x. X is equal to 3 plus 2 into square root 2. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.